Okay, this is my 2019 Ford F-150. Has a 2-inch leveling kit in the front, 285/60 R20s on 20x10, and the offset is -19 fuel wheels. They look really good. Got a little bit of rubbing there. I had to bend that crash bar back, and then it was rubbing on the front, so I had to bend those ones forward. But here's the walk around for you guys that are looking for tires and wheels. Again, that was a 285/60, and they fit nicely. Show you from the back, you can see the poke. They stick out, but it's not horrible. Looks really good. Might have parked too close to the garage to get a good look of it. Really happy with the way that this turned out. Still waiting for my MagnaFlow exhaust and some other upgrades. It's got the 5-liter in it. It's a good, reliable motor. Really happy with the way it turned out. Thanks for watching.